Worry. What is it? Why do I do it? And how do I stop doing it? Worry is so widely acceptable in our culture today, both outside the church and inside the church. It seems everyone's talking about what they're worried about. Worry starts as a thought in my mind. It affects my emotions. It affects me physically and spiritually, my relationship with God and with others. In Matthew 6:34, Jesus says, "Do not worry about tomorrow, for tomorrow will worry about itself." A few chapters later, in 19:26, he says, "With God, all things are possible." I put those two together and I realize it must be possible not to worry. For some, this is a new thought because everybody worries, don't they? What does a life without worry look like? A life without worry is resting in peace. It's trusting. It's calm. Join me on this adventure with Worship Without Worries to learn more about what worry is, why we do it, and some ways that we can stop worrying with God's help.